So, hello,
Yes.
dosto. Welcome to the Bollywood Talk Show on IWM Buzz. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome these lovely people out there, Radhika Madan, Sunny Kaushal. When the last time जब हम लोग ने ये शब्द बोला था शिद्दत, इतनी शिद्दत से मैंने तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है कि हर जर्रे ने मुझे तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश की है. Om Shanti Om. We all remember that. The next time we are going to be popularizing this word, it is going to be Shiddat in 2021. All thanks to these two people. So can we have a big round of applause?
Yeah. Thank you.
क्या
Thank you
बात
so
है,
much.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Lovely. You know, what I want to know from your end, before anything else, is that what does Shiddat mean to you? Because Shiddat is not just about, love. It can be about, your professional life. It can be about yourself, building on yourself. So what is the true definition of Shiddat according to you both? Radhika, would you want to go first?
Yeah, for me, Shiddat is passion, giving your 200%, your heart and soul to something, and the drive. So that defines Shiddat for me.
क्या बात है. Sunny, what about you?
Yeah, I completely agree with Radhika. It's passion, and I think Shiddat is the most basic thing that you can do to achieve anything, whether it's love or whether it's work or whether it's जो मतलब अगर आपको बिंज वॉच भी करना है तो आपको शिद्दत चाहिए उसके लिए. आपको वो पैशन चाहिए कि भाई मुझे ये खत्म करनी है सीरीज आज, या किताब पढ़नी है या पढ़ाई करनी है, जो भी है. So I think it forms the basis for any productive thing or any achievement in life. Constructive work or non-constructive, like binging and potatoing is also is
नहीं, वो भी constructive है for the dimag. It's very constructive.
I know.
You need both.
Exactly.
What I want to ask you both is that you both have had interesting journeys in different ways. Radhika, आपने TV में काम किया. You have had to work really hard. I remember during the last time you told me about how your father used to be supportive and take you for auditions, etc., etc. You have done all that mehnat. For Sunny, it has been a different challenge. Vicky was there, but still he has been doing all that work from Bhangra Pale. I remember the appreciation that he got for Forgotten Army. So it's been, quite an interesting journey so far that you have had, both of you. Looking back, what do you feel, and it's a question to both of you, what do you feel individually has been the turning point जहाँ पे आप दोनों को लगा कि हाँ, fine, we have been working hard, but now अपना गाड़ी निकल पड़ा है. When was that moment?
For me, I would say it was Angrezi. It was right after Angrezi. I think there was a gear shift in my life and in my career. And things have been better since then.
Yeah, that's good. What about you, Sunny?
यार मैं अभी भी कोशिश ही कर रहा हूँ gear बदलने की.
That's really humble.
No, but I think gold, I would say gold was that one thing that kind of a lot of people noticed me in gold, and that changed a lot of things for me.
एक क्लीशे सवाल है, but हर बार जब भी पूछो मजा बहुत आता है कि of course I didn't know whether you guys knew each other पहले or not. So when you guys actually went out there, you knew that it's a fun film. You have your own emotions, but at the same time you need to keep the environment fun and light-hearted on sets. So how did you guys break the ice with each other? Were you guys friends पहले या फिर दोस्ती sets के बाद जाके हुआ?
नहीं यार, हम लोग we knew of each other, but we did not know each other. मुझे याद है हम लोग when we were locked onto Shiddat, हमें एक स्क्रीनिंग पे मिले थे. और वहां जाकर मैं पीछे से आया, मैंने कहा राधिका, राइट? मैंने कहा तू शिद्दत में है ना? मैंने कहा तू भी शिद्दत में है ना? मैंने कहा हम दोनों साथ में काम करेंगे. तो आई थिंक वो एक छोटा सा इंटरेक्शन था. फिर उसके वहीं पे we kind of understood each other's vibe, and then after that readings पे जब मिले, and then on set and everything, we instantly, there was no need to break ice as such, because there was no awkwardness, there was no के यार के ओ ऐसा कुछ वैसा कुछ भी नहीं था. वो हम ऐसे दोस्तों की तरह भी went on shooting for the film.
So basically 6 from the first ball. उसके पहले कुछ है नहीं, direct you go for the free hit. What about you, Radhika? How was it like for you?
नहीं, मेरे लिए भी यार exactly यही था. It's very tough. आपको usually gauge करना पड़ता है कि सामने वाला का कैसा है, उस हिसाब से आप याद करते हो. But when two people they don't care about who they are, to be very honest, and they're in for the project. And तो बहुत easy हो जाता है. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि खुद का एक बैगेज है और एक इमेज है जो हम रखना चाहेंगे अपने पास कि नहीं तुम ऐसे डायलॉग मत बोलो. इधर नहीं खड़े हो सकते, ये सब ड्रामेबाजी नहीं होती है. We both were really professional and I loved it about us. मुझे पता था कि जितनी मैं जान मारूंगी उतना ही सनी जान मारेगा या उससे ज्यादा सनी जान मारेगा, so I need to up my game. So it was always that thing that, oh, the other person is so good, I need to up my game. The other person is so good, ऐसे करके तो काम भी बहुत easily हो जाता है and you give your best.
So and that helps the project as well. You know, aap bhi khush. You know, the people with whom you're working, they're also happy. The audience also eventually happy. Everything is hunky dory. Yeah. But you know what I want to ask you guys next is that you know, in a way you both represent the youth. Now in today's time, we always talk about, you know, this hookup culture, you know, apps, etc. You know, the essence of love, jo shayad, you know, 10 saal pehle, 20 saal pehle, ya fir even during our parents, we always kind of generalize and say, us time pe jo tha, shiddat wala mohabbat, probably it is not there in today's time because we have too many options. Do you actually feel that way? Ki, we kind of lack that kind of, you know, love in today's time? I mean, what are your opinions on that? Radhika, please go first.
मतलब of course, अभी मैंने पहले भी बोला हुआ है कि हम जो जनरेशन है ना, जो 90s में पैदा हुई है, वो फंस गई है, बीच में वो फंस गई है. उनका एक पार्ट है जो ओल्ड स्कूल है और एक पार्ट है कि सामने इंटरनेट आया है, डेटिंग एप्स आई है, तो वो भी हमारे सामने है, तो हमारी जनरेशन है, तो वी नीड टू डू इट. सो वी एनीवे इन अ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. एंड you know, in the film as well, the conflict is there because Kartika is very cerebral. She just thinks. He's a practical person who's like making lists ki ye sahi hai, ye nahi hai, it won't work out. And Jackie is all heart. So how do you deal with it? Like, because there's a part of you who's obsessed with the old school thing and there's a part of you who's practical. And what do you do when that happens and how do you deal with it? And I think that's the journey that our characters take in the film.
Kya baat hai? Sunny, what's your opinion on that?
Yeah, you know what I think, क्योंकि we as human beings are always very enamored by that pure notion of love, and that's what we are looking for all the time. Because of which today, because of the technology and everything that we have in our hand, so ये सब जो चीजें हुई है ना, with like, you know, the swipes left and right and everything, this I think this was intention was correct, you know, let's make it easier for people to get there. But I think since we are human beings and we think a lot, and you know, we're like, oh, it's become so simple now, left, right, and we've somewhere lost the touch, and वो एक अहमियत जो होती है ना, वो कहीं ना कहीं पीछे छूट गई है. But I still feel and I believe that human beings today, you know, अंदर से at their core, they do look and kind of dig out कि यार ये प्यार, मुझे प्यार मिल जाए, you know, कि मुझे life में I just find that one person that I want to spend my life with. And I think that's what the film is also somewhere about, that how do you simplify that, how do you choose to look at it simply and not complicate it in your
Kya baat hai? And you know, we all need that soul, you know, in our emotions. So I think that's where true love comes in. Now, what I want to know again from you both, I have common questions for you both because I know I'll get interesting answers आप दोनों से ही. We all, you know, आपने हो, मैंने हो, या फिर, you know, friends, family, whatever, we all have done certain really, really crazy things, you know, in love, where we have probably gone all out, all guns blazing to express our love emotions in some way or the other. What is the craziest thing that you have done, you know, being in love? You know, it can be during school, college, you know, adolescence, even now, you know, whatever you might want to talk about.
Sunny?
The craziest
this one you want to pass.
because I think Sunny should answer for me and I should answer for Sunny because we know each other's answers.
इतनी बार No, I'll say यार मैंने ना कुछ I have not to get the love, I've never really go, मुझे अब तक जरूरत नहीं पड़ी to go really out. I have try to pursue a girl, और वो होता है ना कि you know, you're wanting to date a girl और उसे रिझाने की कोशिश करते हो, and then you know, you end up dating and it's sweet, and also all that has happened. But I think one thing that I unknowingly that I did very crazy was I think I was pretty young, 21, 22 or so, and my then girlfriend that time, she was like, you know, I think we should be on a break and everything. तो मेरे दिमाग में it was a break, कि मतलब, you know, जैसे रॉस बोलता है कि we were on a break. तो
high five.
Yeah, high five. तो मैंने कहा कि हाँ ठीक है, you want a break, ठीक है, टेक जितना, कितने दिन चाहिए, 1 हफ्ता, 2 हफ्ता, 1 महीना, I'll be there. 2 महीने हो गए, 2.5 महीने हो गए, ब्रेक ही नहीं खत्म हो रहा। और मेरे दोस्त बोल रहे कि भाई तू पागल हो गया, इट्स एक्चुअली अ ब्रेकअप, ब्रेक कुछ नहीं है, इसके बाद वो नहीं है तुम लोगों का कुछ भी। लाइक नहीं, आई एम अ गुड बॉयफ्रेंड, आई एम एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग बॉयफ्रेंड, आई विल गिव हर her space, whatever she needs and everything. Cut to only to realize and to know that it was actually, she didn't know how to call it off properly 2.5 months ago, so that's why she said it's a break. It was actually a breakup. So I actually somewhere feel proud also that, you know, I was बड़ी शिद्दत से मैं wait कर रहा था कि नहीं, you know, she'll come and she'll say okay, now things are okay and let's get back to normal. But it's a great learning as well.
Of course. Radhika, what's your take? It's a very interesting story from his end. What is your story?
So I've already told a story in the previous interviews. I think I'll tell you something else.
Yeah.
I am very old school. Okay?
Yeah.
I love writing letters and all of that. So I remember I was shooting in the outskirts of London or something, somewhere there where there was no network, phone nahi tha, kuch nahi tha. Network ही नहीं आ रहा था, पता नहीं कहाँ पे हम बैठे हुए थे, and I had to be in touch with my boyfriend who was, you know, in India, and कुछ था नहीं, and then I remember I went to some like the local shop there, and I found a postcard, and मैंने उसको उधर से postcard लिख के भेजा था, and early delivery भेजी थी कि बस पहुंच जाए, where I'm telling him about my whereabouts, what I'm doing and how much, what am I seeing which is making me miss him and all of that. So I just
so
very in an old school fashion I just did that, and जब तक वो पहुंचा था उससे पहले मेरा नेटवर्क आ गया था, तो it just got spoiled. But
ये ऐसे बंदियां हमें क्यों नहीं मिलते सनी? That is what you really wonder.
यार राधिका, एक ना ऐसे ही दोस्ती की खातिर एक मेरे को ना लेटर लिख के भेजे, हाय कैसा है, मैं ठीक हूँ।
मुझे ऐसा कंसोलेशन बाद में आप वही लेटर मुझे भी आप पास कर दो, मुझे थोड़ा फीलिंग हो जाएगा।
But that's such a sweet thought, you know, to write a letter and to put into words, and I think that effort is very sweet.
Especially when the odds are against you, you know, you don't have network, etc., but you still want to put it up. So I think, you know, kudos to you both for whatever you have been doing. But I wish I could keep going, talking on and on, but wo hai nahi, we have limited time. But I wish you guys all the best, just like every other time. Hoping to see you guys soon and have some lot of fun. All the best, and may Shiddat be one of the best that you guys have ever been a part of.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.